Good evening. Today we will see sum number 10 of chapter number 9, account part 2, accounts of non-trading concern. From the following information, prepare an income expenditure account for the year ending 31/3/15 of Divya Cricket Club. Cash balance on 1/4/14 30,000. Bank overdraft on 1/4/14 24,000. Subscription received for 14/15 84,000, 15/16 6,000, total 90,000. Remuneration to cricket coach 36,000. Salary of groundsman 15,000. Purchase of sports equipment on 1/10/14 1,08,000. Entrance fee 60% to be capitalized 36,000. Subscription from members participating in sports 24,000. Wicket preparation expense 18,000. Tournament prize distribution expense 54,000. Income of Kavi Sammelan 75,000. Memoir printing expense 24,000. Tournament fee received 1,35,000. Ground maintenance expense 27,000. Donation received 1,20,000. Honorarium to secretary 36,000. Sale of memoir 72,000. Donation received for tournament 1,20,000. Investment of tournament fund 1,20,000. Expense of Kavi Sammelan 42,000. Stationery expense 15,000. Repairing expense 18,000. Bank interest received 3,000. Tournament expense 96,000. Empire fee 24,000. Main club affiliation fee 12,000. Taxes, insurance 12,000 and interest on investment of tournament fund 30,000. Additional information, prepaid insurance is 2,400. Subscription outstanding from members participating in sports 6,000. Subscription outstanding from members for the current year 6,000. 10% depreciation per annum is to be provided on sports equipment and salary outstanding is 3,000. Now here we have to prepare income and expenditure account. You have to keep in mind that prepaid is always minus and outstanding is always plus. Here I have marked all the adjustments. Now we will see first the transactions of adjustments. Prepaid insurance is 2,400. As here we have to prepare only income and expenditure account, we will see only first effect of every transaction. Prepaid insurance is rupees 2,400. So here taxes and insurance is 12,000 less prepaid 2,400, so we will get 9,600. Second is subscription outstanding from members participating in sports 6,000. Now subscription is income. Subscription is income, so it will be transacted on income side. By subscription from members participating in sports 24,000 plus outstanding 6,000, total we will get 30,000. Third, subscription outstanding from members for current year. Now your current year is 84,000. So by subscription 14/15 84,000 plus 6,000, so total we will get 90,000. Third, 10% depreciation is to be provided on sports equipment. Here, as sports equipment is asset, it will be recorded on asset side. But here we have to not prepare balance sheet, so we will see its second effect. The second effect, to depreciation on sports equipment 5,400. We will see how 5,400 is there. 1,08,000 multiplied by 10% multiplied by 6 divided by 12. So we will get 5,400. As the equipments are purchased in October month, so we have to find depreciation for 6 months: October, November, December, January, February and March. Salary outstanding is rupees 3000. Salary is expense, so it will come on expense side. To salary of groundman 15,000 plus outstanding 3,000, total is 18,000. Now here we have completed all the adjustment entries. Now we will see other entries other than adjustments. Now cash balance and bank balance. Cash balance and bank overdraft, these are recorded in receipt and payment account. It will not be recorded in income and expenditure account. Remuneration to cricket coach, it is an expense, so we have to write on expense side. Entrance fee 60% to be capitalized. Means 60% to be capitalized means from 36,000, 60% we have to add in capital, and remaining 40% we have to write on income side. By entrance fee, see your 36,000 multiply by 40%, we will get 14,400. Afterwards, wicket preparation expense, it is expense, so we have to write on expense side. Tournament prize distribution expense. Here, tournament prize distribution expense will not come because it is related to balance sheet. So there is no need of doing transactions of this in income and expenditure account. Whatever price distribution expenses are there, it is related to balance sheet. Income of Kavi Sammelan, it will come on income side. Afterwards, memoir preparation expense, memoir printing expense, it will come on expense side. Afterwards, tournament fee received. Tournament fee received, it is also related to balance sheet. So, we will not write this entry in income and expenditure account. Ground maintenance expense, it is written on expense side. Donation received. Donation received is also related to balance sheet. So, it will be written in balance sheet. Honorarium to secretary is expense. So, we will write on expense side. Sale of memoir. By selling memoir, we will get money. So, it will be written on income side. Investment of tournament fund. It is related to balance sheet. Investment, whatever investments are there, it is related to balance sheet. Expense of Kavi Sammelan, it will be on expense side. Sundry expense, repairing expense will be written on expense side. Bank interest received will be written on income side. Tournament expense, it is related to balance sheet. Entrance fee, empire fee, it will be empire fee, it is expense. It is expense, so it will be written on expense side. Main club affiliation fee, it is expense. Interest on investment of tournament fund, it is income, so it will be written on income side. Now, after writing all the transactions, we have got total of debit side 2,85,000, which is more than income side. After deducting all the income from expenses, balance remains 600. For that, we have to write by excess of expenses over income. Means our expenses more than income. Expenses 600 more than income.